In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add star rating in WordPress step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, professional star rating on your site using the built-in editor. No coding or extra plugins needed. First, head to wordpress.com and sign in if prompted. When you land on your homepage dashboard, you'll see your site listed there. Hover your mouse over your site's card to reveal more options, then click Edit Site. This opens the site editor, where you can make changes to your homepage or templates. Inside the editor, we'll add the star rating using the block inserter. Look to the top left corner and click the plus icon to open the block panel. If you don't see it, you can also press the / key and start typing to search, but the plus icon is the most reliable way to browse everything available. In the block panel, scroll down to the widgets category. These are handy blocks that add small interactive or decorative elements to your page. Find the star rating block in this list and click it. As soon as you do, a set of stars will appear in your canvas. If it lands in a spot you didn't intend, don't worry, you can use the small toolbar that appears above the block to move it up or down or drag it into a different group or column. Now let's customize it so it matches your brand and purpose. With the star rating block selected, look to the right sidebar for its settings. Here you can usually set the rating value, such as 3 out of 5 or a full 5 stars. You can also adjust the size of the stars, change their color, and set the color of unfilled stars for better contrast. If your theme supports it, you can align the block left, center, or right. There's often an optional label or text field where you can add a short caption like customer rating or average score, which helps screen readers and improves clarity. Take a moment to preview how your choices look on desktop and mobile. Small changes in size or color can make a big difference in readability. Once you're happy with the placement and styling, click Save in the top right corner. If a confirmation panel appears, confirm the changes. Your star rating is now live on your site. That's it. Quick, clean, and effective. If you ever want to tweak it later, return to Edit Site, select the block, and adjust the settings again. Thanks for watching, and happy building!